I'm Dr. East, and I have a long history with Pacific College and Symposium. What if you could practice in your PJs? What? Like literally come into the office in your pajamas? No, that's not what I'm saying. But what I am saying is your PJs could stand for your passion, your purpose, and your joy. What if you were aligned with that every day? Could you imagine your treatment outcomes? Could you imagine the effect that would have on your practice and with your patients? We're going to do a workshop. We're going to do some exercises, some exploring to make sure you are aligned with your PJs so you can practice that way and be the best version of yourself every day with your patients, because you know what? They don't deserve anything less than that. Join me and fellow like-minded colleagues Sunday, November the 3rd at 2 p.m. at Pacific Symposium for a workshop that just may change your life. You will leave this workshop with things you didn't even expect. Ways to make more money, ways to just be more free, feel more freedom in your practice, more satisfaction, increase your treatment outcomes, and love your practice again. Let's have fun. Life is meant to be fun.